Good morning, everyone. I am Ellen Gustria Staraba. Today, I will discuss to all of you about local level. At the local level, the Swedish Police Service is divided into 21 independent police authorities, each corresponding to 21 countries of Sweden. These authorities operate within the same jurisdiction as their countries. The size of each police authority varies, with Stockholm being the largest and then the Gotland the smallest. The local police authorities are responsible for carrying out law enforcement duties in their respective areas. Their tasks include responding to emergency calls, investigating crimes, and preventing criminal activities. In addition to these responsibilities, they also handle administrative services such as issuing passport, permits, and licenses to the public. This structure ensures that policing remains organized, efficient, and responsive to the local community needs. Recruitment and training to become a member of Swedish police. Applicant must meet several formal requirements. They must be a Swedish citizens, hold a valid driver license, and have completed the required level of education to qualify for higher education institution. Candidate must also pass physical fitness and aptitude tests to ensure their capability for police work. In addition, the sustainability of applicants is evaluated through an interview process conducted by a panel that includes employers and staff union representatives. Basic police training is conducted at the National Police Academy, where local universities assist in organizing the programs. The training period lasts 2 years, during which students receive academic and practical instruction to prepare them for real police work. After graduation, they become eligible to apply for official position in the Swedish Police Service. Next, I will be discussed to all of you about police ranking system in Grace Hellenic Republic. First is the National Police Commissioner. National Police Commissioner leads the entire police organization and enforces national policies. Second is Police Director. Police Director oversees major department and regional operation. Next is Deputy Police Director. Deputy Police Director assists and substitute for the Police Director. Next is the Police Commissioner. Police Commissioner supervises divisions and ensure effective law enforcement. Next is Deputy Police Commissioner. Deputy Police Commissioner support the commission and duties and investigation. Next is the Chief Superintendent. The Chief Superintendent manages police activities within district or division. Next is Assistant. Assistant Police Commissioner help manage programs, discipline, and personnel. Next is Superintendent. Superintendent holds police station and ensures officer perform properly. Next one is the Chief Inspector. The Chief Inspector oversees an investigation and ensures accuracy in reports. Next is the Inspector. Inspector leads small teams and handle investigation. Next is Sergeant. Sergeant supervises constable and maintains discipline. Next is the Senior Police Constable. Senior Police Constable, experienced officer assisting and monitoring others. Next one is the Police Constable. Police Constable conducts patrols, responds to incidents, and enforces laws. Next is the Police Trainee. Police Trainee, it is a new recruit undergoing to police training.
So, good day everyone. So, this is my part of the reporting. So, the Hellenic Police is ordered to maintain peace and order and also maintain public order and assisting Greek armed force. So, moto siyang Hellenic Police. And then, the Hellenic Police is na siya ay organization. So, ang organization sa Hellenic Police is ang Chief of Police is mag-elect siya sa katao na mag-serve of 2 years and napay possible nga ma-extend iyang pag-serve sa mato ang organization din. And furthermore, so naay and they must have a recruitment training and promotion. So, ang recruitment is dapat Greek citizenship and specific height and body composition, and imong age is 18 to 26 years old. So muna yung part sa ilahang recruitment sa training naman is mag-training ka isa na kay salary and medical insurance. Muna ang ilahang sa part sa ilahang training. Then sa promotion naman is na sila kung ikaw wala pa ka na about 35 years old is na possible nga ma-promote ka as a police sergeant. So dapat mag-undergo ka itong ilang ginatawag na set of written exam nga gina-recommend sa mga senior para makuha ni mga promotion. So, and based silang promotion service, nag-base sila sa police council or depende sa pag-evaluate sa mo. So, Hellenic Police has unique hierarchy to maintain public order and civil defense while assisting Greek armed force in the country defense. So, ang Hellenic Police is nag-assist sila sa Greek armed force in the country defense. So, one police officer for every 260 citizens. So, isa ka police every 206 citizens. So, therefore, Hellenic Police staffs consist of police officers and civilian border guards and special police guards. So, ang Hellenic Police staff is consist of police officers and mga civilians. So, civilian staff can be divided into permanent staff members. So, ang mga civilian staff is na possible nga maging into permanent staff members sila. And then, guards are primarily assigned the task guarding vulnerable targets and carrying out patrols. So, ang mga guards, that's called Special Hellenic Police guards are primarily assigned the task of guarding vulnerable targets and carrying out patrols. So, sila ang na-assign sa pag-guard and sa carrying out of patrol. So, while the Borders Guard mission is to combat illegal immigration. So, mga border guards mission is to combat illegal immigration. So, sila ang mga nagharang sa mga illegal nga ginasulod sa and also sa ang mga high-ranking police military. Ang mga high-ranking police is mga military, firefighting, and coast guards personnel. So, along with top-level personnel and ministries and civil service bodies are trained into the School of National Security in Strategic and Political Matters of National Security. The duration of the study is 6 months. So, ang mga top-level personnel of ministry and civil service bodies is nag-train sila sa School of National Security in Strategic and Political. So, ang duration sa ilahang study is 6 months. So, that's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is my part of this reporting, recruitment, training at promotion ng mga pulis. Grace. Diri dapat ang mga pulis diri kay mga high school graduate, mga Greek citizens sa mga edad na 18 hangtod sa hanggang 26. Kailangan sila ng mga sa mga requirements health nila sa mga personality, athletic, height and body. Ug noong gender quota tinang 20% sa mga babae pero tinanggal ito noong 2003 para maging pantay ang mga requirements sa lalaki at babae. Ang mga pumasa ay pinasok sa mga nakapasa dahil kay mga kapasok sa School of Police Lieutenant o Police Constable School, depende sa score sa preference nila. ug sa mga high ranking pod kay mga daga mukuha sila mga 5 semester para sa mga lieutenant at 8 semester para sa constables sa mga mandatory military service. Katapos ng training nabot sila yung mga tagaan po na sila sweldo at mga medical insurance. Mga recruits pagkalipas ng mga mga tulo ka tuig serbisyo nila sa mga promote kung makapasar sila sa exam. Maka-recommended sila sa mga promotion na nakabisa seniority o merits. At sa mga ang mga high ranking officer naman ay turuan para sa mga School of National Security and tungkol sa mga strategic sa mga political matters sa mga postgraduate studies and continuing education. Mga pulis na gusto magpatuloy na pag-aaral tumagal lang hanggang 6 months. Marato, that's all. Thank you. Noong una, gender quota na 20% na para sa kakabaihan, pero kalaunan na inalis ito. Pantay na mga standard para sa lalaki at babae na pinapakita ng gender equality requirements sa GRACE. Pagkatapos pumasa sa entrance requirement, pinila score preference sa mga 100 requirements ang mga ginatanggap nila sa mga police lieutenant sa Athens, habang sa 1,100 sa requirements ng ipanadala sa siyam na police constable schools. Ang duration ng pag-aaral nila ay 5 semester para sa mga police lieutenant, 8 semester para sa mga constable. Bukod sa training at may sweldo at napod sila yung mga sweldo o mga insurance sa mga pagkatapos nila og tulo ka tuig. Para naman sa mga mataas na para pud sa mga tag-as na mga ranggo kay mga police military, mga firefighting o coast guards, mga top levels government official, pinag-aralan ng strategy at political matters. Bukod rin sa mga school postgraduate, mahigpit ang hanggang mula 1 hanggang 6 semester depende sa specialization. Sa kabuuan makikita ng mahigpit na organisasyon. GRACE pagdating sa pagpili na nagsanay. Pag-promote ng mga police officer, pinapalagahan nila ang discipline, merits, equality at professionalism. Kaya naging epektibo ang kanilang law enforcement system sa mga top level government official school studies education. Maulan to. Thanks.